So in this video, we're going to look at what impacts a non-domestic EPC. When it comes to non-domestic EPC ratings, the devil's in the detail. So let's look at what really affects your score. An EPC only measures regulated energy use. So that's heating, cooling, lighting, hot water, and pumps and fans. It doesn't include appliances, small power, or any industrial processes. So that means your building's rating is largely driven by the quality of its fabric, things like walls, roofs, floors, windows, insulation, plus the type and efficiency of your lighting, heating, cooling, and hot water systems. Even the fans and pumps running in the background influence the score. At Me Solutions, we go into the detail. We track down the manufacturer data, we check system performance, we gather as much information as possible, and the more detail we capture, the more accurate your EPC is going to be. And if your assessor isn't digging into that level of detail, well, your rating could end up being lower than it should be. And it matters. A poor EPC can make it harder to secure finance, it can reduce a property's value, and it can put tenants off. And a stronger rating can increase rentability, improve ROI, and protect your investment long term. Now, the way an EPC is assessed depends on the complexity of the building. Level 3 assessments for simpler buildings, Level 4 for more complex systems like full air conditioning, but both use the SBEM software, which checks performance 12 times a year. But for more complex designs, like buildings with atria, internal glazing, or complex shading, you'll need a Level 5 DSM assessment. DSM runs hourly simulations, 8,760 checks a year, so it's a much more detailed picture. It will always give you a higher score, but it will always give you a more accurate rating. And that's why we recommend running both Level 4 and Level 5 assessments. It's the best way to get the clearest picture of your building and the strongest rating possible. So if you want to protect asset value, stay compliant, and make smarter decisions, getting the right EPC advice is absolutely key. See our full EPC 1 guide for a more in-depth analysis, or get in touch with any questions. Me Solutions, common sense compliance.